Hello, in this video I want to show you the 5 tricks which you can use on a camera for POCO C40. So the first one is to enable HDR. You can also use HDR automatic, but I would recommend using this one as this one always activates it, and that way the quality of your pictures should increase. Next tip is to click somewhere on the screen, and that way you'll be able to focus on a specific thing on that your camera can see, and that way also you can change the brightness of your picture like this, or lock it if you want by holding your finger onto that place. Next is to go for the settings, so click on these 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now navigate to the settings. Here you want to make sure that you're using the highest picture quality, because it will increase the quality as it says. Next is to go for the where was it? Volume button functions. Here you can find it, and that way you'll be able to do multiple things with your volume key. So right here I have a timer, and it basically, if I press the volume key when I'm taking pictures, it will add it to the timer to our picture. You can go for the zoom, volume, or shutter. Let's go for the shutter, and that way we'll be able to take pictures with our volume key. You can also go for this wand or star right here on the top of the screen to add any filter to your images, and it may improve your quality for the pictures also, or just change its style. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.